Today's video is all about broccoli, a superfood packed with nutrients and with a surprisingly interesting history. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable related to kale, cauliflower, and cabbage. It's a flowering plant, but the part we eat is the cluster of unopened green flower buds. Exploring its origins, health benefits, delicious ways to cook it, and some fun facts you might not have known. History of broccoli. Broccoli has a long and fascinating history. Believe it or not, it originated in the Mediterranean around 6th century BC, most likely from a wild cabbage plant. The Romans were the first to cultivate broccoli, but it wasn't until the 16th century that it became popular in Italy. From there, it slowly made its way to other parts of Europe and eventually reached North America in the 1920s. Today, China is the world's leading producer of broccoli, followed by India and the United States. Health benefits of broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse. It's low in calories and fat but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Here are some of the key health benefits of broccoli. Rich in vitamins, broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is important for immune function and collagen production. It also contains vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Packed with antioxidants. Broccoli is loaded with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Good source of fiber. Fiber is important for digestion and gut health. Broccoli is a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. May aid in weight loss due to its low calorie and high fiber content. Broccoli can help you feel full and satisfied, which can aid in weight management. How to cook broccoli. Broccoli is a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in many different ways, like steaming. Steaming is a healthy and easy way to cook broccoli. It preserves the nutrients and gives the broccoli a nice crisp texture. Roasting. Roasting broccoli brings out its natural sweetness and caramelizes the florets slightly. Sautéing. Sautéing broccoli is a quick and easy way to cook it. You can add garlic, onions, or other spices for extra flavor. Stir-frying. Broccoli is a great addition to stir-fries. It cooks quickly and adds a pop of color and nutrients to your dish. Microwaving. Microwaving is a time-saving option for cooking broccoli. However, it can result in a mushy texture. Tips for selecting and storing broccoli. When selecting broccoli, look for firm, bright green florets with tight buds. Avoid broccoli with yellowing florets or signs of wilting. Broccoli can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. To store it, wash the broccoli, cut off the florets. Fun facts about broccoli. Here are some fun facts about broccoli you might not have known. The word broccoli comes from the Italian word broccoletto, which means little sprout. Broccoli is a member of the same plant family as mustard, turnips, and Brussels sprouts. National Broccoli Day is celebrated in the United States on the last Wednesday of October every year. Hope you learned something new about this nutritious and delicious vegetable. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs